Hello friends, today we'll discuss about how to make an website with AI or artificial intelligence. Suppose you don't know how to make a website, for that you have to go to first of all go to a search engine like Google Chrome and type here durable.co and enter. And here you'll find that build a website in 30 seconds with AI or artificial intelligence. The AI website builder that generates an entire website with images and copy in seconds. Then what you will do, go to generate your website. The website uses cookies. See our privacy policy for detailed information. Got it? Then generate your website. Go to generate your website. Build a website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence and go to get started. What type of business are you building? Enter a business type. Suppose if we want, this is the business type: accounting, landscaping, life coaching, acupuncture, art restoration, audio editing, audio production, tracking, boat detailing, electrician, bookkeeping, car detailing, career coaching, carpentry, carpet cleaning, chiropractor, cleaning, coaching, computer repair, constructions, consulting, copywriting, counseling, plumber, DJ, design, dog walking, right? Suppose we want about mechanic, gardening, furniture restoration. These are different types we can use here. These are the different types. Suppose you want an sports instruction, right? Business like sports instruction or any others like computer repair. Suppose we want what type of businesses are you building? Like an example, we have taken computer repair and give it next. What's the name of your business? Suppose I'm writing the computer computer repair computer repair and computer repair and sale of computer. Now you can make an website very easily with the help of AI or artificial intelligence. Then you go to next. Now here you see that artificial intelligence is making your website like this, choosing the best layout, generating beautiful banner, write a paragraph about your business, adding some services, writing a positive testimonial, creating a gallery, adding a map, adding a lead capture form. Your website is ready. Now you see it takes only a few seconds to make your website. In this way you can make any type of website you want. See it. Now you see computer repair and sale of computer. Fix your computer today. fast and affordable computer repair services in Digha. Get your device fixed and back to work in no time. And there is a repair now. Now about us, here you see what is given here about us. That is, at our computer repair and sale business in Digha, West Bengal, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch services to our customers. Our team of experienced technicians is dedicated to fixing any computer issues you may have, whether it is a hardware malfunction or software glitch. We understand how important your computer is to you, which is why we work quickly and efficiently to get it back and running as soon as possible. In addition to our repair services, we also offer a wide selection of computers for sale. Whether you are in need of a new laptop for work or a gaming desktop for entertainment, we have something for everyone. Our knowledge staff can help you find the perfect computer to fit your needs and budget. Come visit us today and see why we are the go-to computer repair and sales business in Digha. And here you see our services are also given. Our services are hardware repair, expert technician fix computer hardware issues promptly and ensure optimal prefer- performance. Virus removal. Specialists remove harmful viruses and malware to safeguard your computer and data. Software installation. Experienced professionals install software and provide guidance for seamless operation. Now, I had great experience with the computer repair service in Digha. They are quick, efficient, and very professional. They fixed my laptop in no time and even helped me choose a new computer. Thank you for your amazing service. Like, right? And the next one you see our clients are who are the clients here you can see here, right? And here you see the location, that is Digha Control Road. Contact us today. Complete the form below to get in touch with our expert computer repair team. We are here to help with any technical issues you may be experiencing. Here is your name, message, email, and send it, and you will get the last is computer repair and sale of computer. In this way, you can make a website of your own in a few seconds, right? Dear friends, if you like this, how to make a website for your business, this is the only way in which you can make it in second. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.